try to take a picture. Really, I try to upset the style. My son to look good. No, son?
Yes.
Yes. So we're going on a date. It's a buck up date, yeah, people. We're not even going to hype it up. It's a buck up date. It's not really carrying on a good proper date.
I mean, why?
It's because we're going to pick up our car. I'm not try to hide it from when I was going to pick up the car for servicing people. And Reggie said, Mommy, you look so nice. Should I just go buy 2 ice cream, you know? You see? So it was not his idea. But it was not his idea to carry me to buy 2 ice cream.
What am I carry though?
I have to just take what I get. I got to take what I get. So we're on a date for under $2,000.
15.
Under 15? Under $1,500. So you can still have a good time and hang out and spend some quality time with your partner. As I was saying to my husband earlier, you know, it is good for us to have some time to connect and, you know, be together, just me and him, because normally we are with our children, busy with work, trying to also pay that big hospital bill where we have for you. So it is good to find out to get some time together, and this never planned, but at least it's still nice for under $1,500. Say one taste of dragon stuff?
No, say one taste of grape nuts, say for real grape nuts. I never hear that the hate. Man, I like to me at the ice cream shop. Never hear that the hate. Man, don't actually taste.
Man, say one for real. Hey, they are picking, you know, I used to wait for fudge at evening time. And a Sunday evening, oh God, version. If you come from Olaba, you know version. I'm gonna tag him there for me. Mr. Oh, fly! I used to always wait for version a Sunday evening time. When I hear I come run Tankana. Then I was so innocent, you know? We never care about if fudgy people around this up and shaking tickets. We never think about if fudgy shaking tickets if you want your hands or no. We just know say, oh, cream have to buy. I think that's why I like me still like eat ice cream and cone like this instead of eat it in a bowl. It gives me that innocence, you know?
But then time ice cream never used to sell in a bowl.
No, in a cup.
Ice cream used to sell in a cup?
Yeah, ice cream used to sell in a cup.
Yeah. But you don't want a cup of ice cream because you want to eat it cold.
When I do people, other people park too. With the COVID restriction now, it's like it take away from so much things, you know?
Really?
Just the year while ago, I look at it and say, okay. So like one person have to go in to go buy this stuff because if inside I get crowded, right? Like one person have to go in and go buy, and then the other person have to stay outside. And then on top of that, then you can't sit and eat and enjoy the ambience of the place because it's a really nice place. And if you know, if you come from that region, you know you can come a total delicious. They have a nice like a garden set up, nice real set up.
Inside itself nice stuff. Nice little setting.
Yeah.
COVID boy.
COVID. Show off everybody thing. So now we have to sit in our car and lick with cream. Eat.
You lick your cream.
Alright, me I lick my cream.
I eat my own.
He might eat cream. The flyer really I do.
But your cream gone further here. And me started after it.
Yeah. Okay, enough. You might have features of mine too. Too much, man. Okay, so today we wanna do a bucket list. Not challenge, but we're gonna talk about what's on our bucket list, right? We never did to do it right now, no, but we're not gonna do it right now. When it's on the evening stroll. Alright, Ralph, you start. What's the number one place that you'd like to go?
France.
You like to go to France? What would you want to see in France?
I think I want.
Yeah, and if you were at our wedding or you have seen the pictures, then you know it was Paris themed. We had the Eiffel Tower, even for our cake topper was the Eiffel Tower. We had the entire thing just decked out like you were in Paris in Jamaica. So that's a good trip for us both. Remember that one? If that couple of people, I'm not gonna hear them. I think some all is louder.
And where would you want to go?
I want to go to Dubai for my number one trip because I want to see the city that came from nothing. Out of thin air, this city was engineered from nothing. You know? Yes, Dubai. Me older than Dubai now. Dubai came out of nowhere.
Okay.
So I want to see that city. I want to see it and wear the nice long frock them. Yep. I want to experience different culture because I'm telling you the honest truth, I was never that person who want to travel the world. I was never that person, right? And I think it's like a year ago that I actually started to think about traveling and think about going places. I not even did have a passport before I get sick. That's for sure, you because I'm afraid of heights. And because I'm afraid of heights, I did not want to travel in that thing, okay? I don't want to go in that thing there where they're all the way up there. So.
I think that's what the problem with that. I love a chop, but 3 times experience a plane.
I like it.
No, I'm for night at all.
Yeah, I never like the traveling aspect of it. Before Reggie got sick, I did not have a passport. When he got sick and they said it's a rare form of cancer, you're going to have to go overseas for treatment. That's when I applied for my passport. As a big old woman. My first passport. So yes, I would want to go and see Dubai. I think everything gave me a new perspective on life. Like, what would you want? And you know, things where you don't want to do and whatever. So my thing is now I want to go and see Dubai. That's one. I would love to see France. So that's a good trip for us both. Where else would you want to go?
Arsenal versus anybody.
Well, how much at England?
England. Not in the Premier League, but FA Cup. I want a league match. As long as Arsenal play, Arsenal versus anybody.
Arsenal versus anybody. I guess we'll just tag along because you know, I'm not Arsenal fan.
It have to be number 2 on the bucket list. That's the reason I definitely have to take back play.
Arsenal versus anybody. I would like to go to Thailand because they have elephant. More ride one. Yeah, more ride one. I want to go for one of them to see how it is, you know? I like Thailand. And then one of my friends went to high school together. Latanya, she's living in Japan. So kind of like looking at like her posts and see to see what it looks like in another country, not just US, because you know we know US foreign, know that foreign they look. Anything where they are US, we have it here. You know, strange to it. Because if them cough, you don't know it go. We get you cool.
We get you cool.
So, I have no interest for US, but When we see other countries like Russia or them other countries, I'm like, let me see how that side lives. So I would love to go to Thailand. That would be my second, because I want to ride
No disrespect
the
to
elephant.
US, but
Yeah, no disrespect to US. It's just that no, I'm nothing special.
man. It's not like food.
You know, one reason why I want to go like Europe really, but I want to taste a real pizza.
So
No, so we are foodie. No, I mean
We don't
like
real pizza,
no.
okay?
Remember, say Italian people at them come up with the whole for them
Pizza idea, man.
culture of
Yeah.
pizza and wine and them. So, but I want to experience that, yo. That would be so dope. To get we go eat some Italian pizza. So I want to go to Italy for that reason, yeah. And yeah, and get to go where them. You know, me did see on TV one time. Where them make a wine and everybody have to step up their little foot in the wine.
Oh,
I'm going to step up my foot in there too.
No drink the water again.
No drink no water. Yes, I would love to do that. Where else would you want to go?
Jamaica here.
Travel Jamaica?
Does.
You ever been to 14 parishes?
Probably travel about 8 or 9.
9 parishes? I've been to the 14th parish. You know which one me now go back?
So,
You don't know yourself. The flag people them. Don't have the flag parish. You don't know yourself.
Portland.
St. Thomas.
Oh, St. Thomas.
You know they have a flag parish there up here?
Oh,
Everybody,
Jesus.
everybody have flag in there. Me now go back at
One
St.
second.
Thomas. Me have a bad experience at St. Thomas. Look here. Right now me I think about it. Me I have what they call it, PTSD thinking about St. Thomas.
When I go to St. Thomas, you see flagging at people. Yeah?
Flag na people yard. And want something like, me don't know where I'm basing out on the front there, so let me tell you.
They're next door to Portland.
Yeah, man, they're next to Portland. But let me explain to you what happened. We went on a field trip at school and we were supposed to go and see the river basin and stuff like that because it was a soil science trip when we were going to Case. So it was a soil science trip and we went to St. Thomas to see the ice bridge that is in Jamaica and all of that. No, let me tell you people, the road look a bit so the road little. And everybody the bus dip on this little beanie road and then not one car can pass over the other side. Me say me terrified the entire time as me tell you me not really like the heights thing, right? So me tell you say I was terrified. And then on top of it, me say me hungry. I would have got early enough.
You're a killer.
But don't know me eat no. You know me can't eat. I respect my food. Right? I really know so me as a girl can hold I'm hungry. So when me tell us I'm hungry, you know I'm not joking hungry. Well, me say we leave out early for go on the trip, you know. We leave like 7 o'clock in the morning, right? And we go up in the hills because as me say it's an agricultural trip, we're going to look at soil science. And when we go on the trip and we reach up in the hills, I mean the only thing we're up there to eat was 2 orange. I'm gonna eat the 2 orange. Me, Nancy, Ren, and Sash, we did it, right? We are Bill, right? Spang them did it too. Everybody did it. We are Bill. All the time we did it, we say, alright then, where we are gonna eat? Them say we will stop and get something to eat. We can't see nowhere to stop to get something to eat.
KFC.
There's no KFC. They just get KFC now, right? There was no KFC. There was no nothing. When we reach, they must say when we reach the Morant Bay town, then we'll be able to get something. Me say people, well time we are driver come now, we can't wait to reach Morant Bay. So when we reach Morant Bay, them have only thing them have is a juicy beef. See juicy beef here. I swear to God, 6 a week couldn't hold in the juicy beef. 6 a week couldn't hold in the juicy beef. Me say me go in there, me say me get claustrophobic. Me want pee, me come go cross the road, hop and want upstairs.
So in the bathroom in the juicy beef?
We must say no, a 3 bus load that we know everybody wants a bathroom, so it's like the boys them can whip out for them out the road. But then we know we have to try get an enclosed area. We end up just to go upstairs this place, and this lady allow us to use our bathroom. It was just such a long day. It was about way 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock before we finally get something to eat. To dry out party for them juicy beef. Cause like for them juicy beef not even hot. I don't know if it hot now, cause I like 12 years ago me attack. Look here, man. Grieve me, man. Grieve me to the point that I'll never go back to St. Thomas. Trust me, I worst experience I have. But you said that you'll travel. You want to travel Jamaica. That's a good idea still, because the tourists them come and enjoy here more than we were there here.
Flip that. When we there Florida 2018, fun. I hear the Americans then talk about Jamaica. Some places where they say they going to Jamaica. Yeah, so which part that day? I said, where is that in Jamaica? Then I realize that then come here and them enjoy Jamaica more than you.
More than me, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Because some places I'm here, because this for me up there. When I say you come from Jamaica, they say, you know it? I say, no sir, I don't know this sir.
That's true, man.
But when you get to realize, when them come to, them not just stay a niggle, you know, or them stay a movie and them go all over. Them go all over.
And I think a lot of things has been taken out of our reach, like people who are from Jamaica, because it's so expensive. And poorer class Jamaica, I'm not talking about everybody who comes from Jamaica, but poorer class people like me and you, right? A lot of things has been taken out of our reach because it's expensive, and it's like it's tailored towards upper class people or people from America. It's tailored towards foreigners instead of, it's not conducive for us to pay for it because it's so expensive. And that has been the one thing that I can say with the whole COVID thing. Is that this staycation, hey, everybody in Jamaica can get to go see some local things where you never see before. Because the prices drop, you can get to go look at it. I true in our state right now, we can't really go.
We're gonna do a weekend already.
Yeah, but a lot of places, like, they open up a lot of things to us, and no, it's good. I would really like to travel someplace in Jamaica too, because there's a lot of places that I don't know. A lot of things that I haven't even seen.
On a different level. I think we, as Jamaican, should have get a different rate.
Yeah.
From the American.
From the American name. We're supposed to get a better rate from them. We're get a better rate, man. I don't lie. Look at this now, people. Look at this. This is blueberry cheesecake from Totally Delicious. And it is totally delicious. Alright, next place that I would like to also travel the Caribbean. I will extend it to travel the Caribbean. Police. Okay. I will travel the Caribbean. I think there are a lot of natural resources there. Because I'll tell you something. I'm a little tomboy, so I love watch cricket. So normally when cricket are playing in the Caribbean, them show some places like St. Lucian. Some real nice place there, even Barbados. So trust me.
Cricket play for you.
Yeah, we them always show some sightseeing.
Caribbean is a pretty place.
Pretty place. I would like to travel the Caribbean. So
pretty place.
That would be number 3. You want to go, Mickey? But don't. Isn't it nice? Isn't it nice?
I don't fancy it.
You don't like cheesecake?
But it looks nice.
It looks, and it is really nice. Alright, next thing. The other day, I do something, not the other day, like last year. We did something like as a group trip for work. We went to Mystic Mountain. That never did on my bucket list, but me can cross that off. Because we not do it again. Hey, we go up on this thing. If you don't know about Mystic Mountain, I don't know it already. I don't know when you say me now go up on that. They have a canopy tour where you, before you can go up to go on the zip line, you have to go on this thing. Before I sit up on my bucket list, me do it. But anyway, I nearly didn't make it down, but me go up down.
It's like a Rick's Cafe.
Rick's Cafe? You don't want to go?
Yeah.
You want to jump off of the thing?
Jump off of the cliff. In the water.
That's one journey you're taking alone.
Why? You know come?
Me?
Me you hold on and jump.
You're mad, man. Me this for better or for worse, but me ain't saying stupid.
I mean, yesterday yesterday? Yeah. I look on Instagram and I see it again and I say I flick off back way, you know?
See that one
Flick.
too.
Them a flick off back way. I say, I'm not going to flick off back way still, but I'm going to jump with my toe foot. No, probably somebody that.
You don't want to do it.
You know want to do it?
One, me can't swim. Two, me afraid of heights. How me go and jump off of that or something?
You're going to
No
life
matter.
jacket, man.
No matter. Me good at dead before me to
Oh,
water.
you don't want all that fire, man.
You jump, me go so flat line. No, sir. You know what I will do? I'll be cheering you on. Yeah! You go! Well, anything else you'd like to add to your bucket list?
What else you got?
I don't know. I don't know what else I would like to do. But I like to travel and eat. Like, good. Everywhere where I go, I want to experience them cultural food. Yeah, that's for sure. I would like to travel and eat. Cause I don't know where food is already.
Food already.
So
But I'm traveling unless we eat.
you can't look much video. We actually have a eat still now.
Man.
Oh God, we're real foodie. But yeah. You know what I like to do too? I took a cooking course with Jovan back about 2 or so years ago. And I would love to do another like an in-depth course, because I would like to know how to make like some nice pasta from scratch. Yeah, stuff like that. I would like to do that. But I want to do that. There's so much things that I don't want to do in our life.
Just have to take it one step at a time.
This thing is nice now, but it's sweet. Really sweet. But guys, remember, if you're new here, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with some people. Come on, man.
Share it.
We're trying to rush to 1,000 and now we're chasing 1,000 subscribers. So we'd love if we could get there by September. So guys, go ahead and share, like up the thing, make a couple people know, say, come on here. So a perfect blend is happening right here.
Blend.
We're blending, okay? Oh, in case you're wondering where our children are, then they're home. Yep, we leave them at home. The watchman no call we yet, that's a John.
Man.
Hey Johnny, are you watchman?
Sitting around, man.
Something wrong with you, no call, none at all. For say, what time we not come home? How not reach one yet? Johnny, I read watchman.
Too sweet, babes.
Too sweet, man. It's nice, but I tell you say too sweet. You can't have it. So that was date night for under $1,500, or date evening, Sunday evening stroll for under $1,500. Reconnecting with my number one, my boo, my sugar. Hey, a lot of people say, where you take ready I do? And then they know say, no, this is actually Ralston, you know. I'm not allowing him to do anything. It's just that there's a phone recording it.
What I say?
See, I make you do this and I turn you into this person. I'm like, no. This is actually Ralston. He's very quiet, but that's when all people they're around. But if you get to know him, chat like parrot. And he ever run joke and do all kind of foolishness. So trust me, me never have to force him. But just turn on the camera and capture some of it. But this is actually Ralston, not a thing new about it.
Not a God Almighty thing.
The only thing he don't like take pictures. He still don't like take
Still
pictures.
don't like take picture.
So, if there's anything else that you'd like to, what else you don't want to add for your bucket list? What is one thing that you would have want to do, but you're afraid to do it?
Really, alright. My main two things, I'm say it already. Need to watch my Arsenal team live.
Arsenal versus anybody.
Arsenal versus anybody. Anybody. I'm the one to see Eiffel Tower.
You don't want to see the Eiffel Tower? That's it. We're so simple. We're simple people. So we want to go to Dubai. We want to travel Jamaica. We want to see the Caribbean. We want to see the Eiffel in real life. Probably not climb it, but see it in real life.
Climbing at night, man. Climbing at night.
See it in real life.
Stay and see it out there so I eat that.
And say, hey, what the Eiffel?
And take 2 pictures.
And take 2 pictures.
Yes.
And we want to see Dubai. That's it for our bucket list, basically, because we're like really simple people. We don't want to do anything.
Gonna plane go jump off. Me?
No.
That's not the fun.
Hey, you know what? People who don't want to know, comment below. What is on your bucket list? Comment below and tell me what is on your bucket list. Because I love to know what is on your bucket list. Because
Will Smith.
Yeah, for his 50th birthday, jump out of this place. I'm sorry.
Why?
I'm sorry. Vanessa will not be doing that one.
Why?
Yeah? I will not be doing that one. Turn on the lights. Yeah. I'm afraid.
Turn on light one, light again. Light one, light again, man.
Oh God. But honestly, this was a really nice afternoon. We kind of enjoyed the book update here.
Enjoy it.
Yeah. It was really nice. We just chill and relax. Now we girl Carissa, we're good girl. And we just eat like ice cream, cake. But it was nice. We know you're mommy, tell us to stop on my phone. Hey! None of that. Just us. Just sit and relax. It was nice. Until next time, as we say again, make sure you like, subscribe,
share.
We
reach 1,000 by September.
1,000 subscribers by September. Come on, people, you can do it. You can do it, right? Okay, so until next time, guys. Be blessed, be kind, and walk good.